How to use AI Mirror app step-by-step 2026 full guide. What is up everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you exactly how to use the AI Mirror app in 2026, step by step from the very beginning. Whether you are brand new to this app or you just want to make sure you are using it the right way, this guide is going to cover everything you need to know. So let's just jump straight into it. First things first, you need to download the app. Open up your App Store if you are on iPhone or the Google Play Store if you are on Android. Type in AI Mirror in the search bar and look for the official app. Once you find it, tap download and wait for it to install on your device. It only takes a few seconds. Now go ahead and open the app. The first thing you will see is the welcome screen. From here you can either sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. To sign up, tap on the Create Account option, enter your email address, set a password, and you are good to go. The whole process takes less than a minute. Once you're logged in, you will land on the main home screen. This is where all the magic happens. You will notice several different features and tools available right on the dashboard. Take a moment to explore the layout so you feel comfortable before diving in. Now here is where the fun begins. To get started, tap on the main Create button, which is usually located at the center or bottom of the screen. This is going to open up the Creation tool. From here you have a couple of options. You can either upload a photo from your camera roll or take a new photo directly within the app. Choose whichever works best for you. Once your photo is uploaded, the app is going to give you a wide range of AI-powered styles and filters to choose from. You will see options like artistic transformations, fantasy looks, cinematic styles, and a whole lot more. Simply scroll through the options and tap on any style that catches your eye. The app will then process your photo and apply the transformation automatically. Now, depending on your internet connection, this might take anywhere from a few seconds to about half a minute. So just be patient and let the app do its thing. Once it is done, your transformed image will appear right on your screen, and honestly, the results are pretty impressive. From there, you can make further adjustments if you want. Most versions of the app give you the ability to tweak the intensity of the effect, blend multiple styles together, or even apply additional edits on top of your creation. Play around with the settings until you get exactly the look you are going for. When you are happy with the final result, tap the Save or Download button to store the image directly to your phone's gallery. You can also share it straight from the app to Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, or any other platform you use. Now, one thing worth mentioning is that some of the more advanced features inside AI Mirror are locked behind the premium version. If you find yourself using the app regularly and you want access to higher quality outputs, exclusive styles, and faster processing, it might be worth considering the upgrade. But honestly, the free version alone already gives you a ton to work with, and that is pretty much it. That is the full step-by-step guide on how to use the AI Mirror app in 2026. It is honestly one of the most creative and easy to use AI tools out there right now, and once you start using it, it is hard to stop. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment down below letting me know how your creations turned out, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a guide like this. I will see you in the next one.